expanding, but also the techniques of teaching are changing in a big way. And the only teaching aid that we had seen was only the blackboard and the chalk. Today, the technology of teaching has changed. You not only have the blackboards, which still continue, in fact in a very modified form, but also you have the audio-visual equipment, you have the computers, all of which have come to the help of the students to learn better, to absorb better, and to retain better. In fact, the methodology of teaching has changed. The teacher or the school is not a place which students dread to go. The teachers and the schools are becoming friends and guides of the students. In the earlier days, it was always thought that the best way of teaching the students is by being strict, is by, even in those good old days, even by beating the students in order to enable them to learn. In fact, fear was the instrument through which teaching was being done. As somebody put it, fear is a dark room in which many negatives are developed. It is not by fear we have to teach the students. It is by being as a guide and a helper that we should teach our people. I am therefore very happy that an attempt has been made in this institution to give to the students the latest teaching aids, whether it be in the field of audiovisual education or it be in the field of computers. Got it always as somebody who is very strict, who doesn't even smile. He doesn't even smile at the students. And then only he can instill fear in the minds of the people, in the minds of the students. The story goes of an old-time teacher who always believed in the old to the children. In this task, the government has an important role to play, and individual institutions and trusts also have a role to play. My only request to private institutions which run schools and colleges is provide quality education, and we know that quality education is also expensive, but at the same time, please ensure that what you charge as a fees are within the reach of the common people also. You must also ensure that to some extent that the needy and the poor and the meritorious get an opportunity to learn in such schools as well. I am an economist, and therefore I use the word, used to use the jargon which is called cross-subsidization, in the sense that while those who can afford can pay a higher price, that those who cannot afford should be offered something at a lower level, so that the school as a whole, the institution as a whole, can benefit a wider section of the community. This is one sort of advice that I would give to the management and to the institution. Once again, let me thank you for the opportunity you have given me, and I wish the institution all success in the years to come. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. This evening, we are the privileged lot to listen to such an inspiring speech. Ladies and gentlemen, students, let us give him a big hand in honor of the Governor, Sri Rangarajan. Now, we start off the felicitation function for Sri Turlapati Kutumbarao Garu, a veteran journalist. I call upon Silpa of Class 6 to deliver the felicitation address.
Patruhari, Bhashanake Bhushanam Mana Turlapati, Mita Bhashana, Amita Bhava Prakatana, Ekamai Rupadalchana, Meti Turlapati Kutumbarao Garu, Meku Marks వ్యాస రచన, జీవిత చరిత్ర చిత్రణ, ఇలా ఎన్నెన్నో రంగాలు మీ ప్రతిభను చాటి చెప్పిన తుర్లపాటి మీకు మీరే సాటి. కేవలం 14వ ఏట జర్నలిజానికి శ్రీకారం చుట్టి 7 దశాబ్దాలు
We grew from 400 and odd students in the first year to about 2,200 students now, which made us construct a new building, which was inaugurated just today to accommodate the present demands of the parent community. Coming to the academics, we provide conducive atmosphere for study by making them the best faculty and infrastructure. Spacious and well-ventilated classrooms, computer labs, science labs, audiovisual aids like TV, LCD projector, overhead projectors are part and parcel of life at Nalanda Vidyalaya. Our student, Ms. Chandana of class 9 of our school, who has been kind enough to donate as many as 8 educational CDs to our school, and he has also subscribed for the National Geographic for 1 year, which are extensively used both by our students and participating in competition is not a...
As many of you may be aware of, our students are divided into 4 houses here: Disha, Maitri, Sahana and Tejas. Many competitions are conducted for the junior and senior house masters, Mrs. Udaya and Mrs. Sarada, and the captains to come to the dais and proudly lift the trophy. Come on children, excellence in academics. They are proudly lifting the trophy. And 30% of sports and games. This is once again won by Maitri. They're holding it aloft. Look at the girl. And the feat she has achieved is not no mean thing. I agree.
ఏ విద్యా సంస్థకి లేనటువంటి మహాప్రసాదాన్ని ఇక్కడ నిర్మించారు. ఆ మహాభవనాన్ని ప్రారంభించడానికి గవర్నర్ గారు ఇక్కడికి విచ్చేసిన సందర్భంగా వారికి సత్కారం తలపెట్టారు ఈ విద్యా సంస్థ వారు. స్థానికంగా ఆ అవార్డు పద్మా అవార్డు వచ్చిన నన్ను కూడా వారితో పాటు వారికి జరిగిన వెంటనే సత్కారం చేయడం నేను చాలా అదృష్టంగా భావిస్తున్నాను. మీ లెటరేజ్ చూసినట్లయితే టైం తీసుకోకుండా నేను 10 నిమిషాల కంటే ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడనని చెప్పాను మన సెక్రటరీ గారికి. నాకు ఈ మహత్తరమైనటువంటి అవకాశం, మంచి అవకాశం, ఇంత బ్రహ్మాండమైనటువంటి సభలో మాట్లాడే అవకాశం ఇచ్చినందుకు మీ డైరెక్టర్లకి, సెక్రటరీ గారు మన విజయబాబు గారికి నా కృతజ్ఞతాపూర్వకమైనటువంటి అభివందనాలు చెప్పుకుంటూ, సన్మానం చేసినందుకు మరొకసారి కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలియజేసుకుంటూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటున్నాను. జై హింద్.